Dear students, in today's session, we are going to learn homogenizing a second degree equation with a first degree equation in x and y. Homogenizing a second degree equation with a first degree equation in x and y. So in second type of pair of straight lines, we have discussed in exercise number 4a second degree equation in x and y which represents pair of straight lines. That means ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gxx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is a non-homogeneous equation, but it represents pair of straight lines. That pair of straight line equation now we are homogenizing with a first degree equation in x and y. For this one, we find the combined equation of the pair of lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of a second degree curve with a given straight line. Here we find the combined equation of the pair of lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of a second degree curve with a given straight line. See, look at here. The figure is like this. X-axis, y-axis. So x-axis, y-axis, origin, pairs of lines passing through the pairs of lines passing through the origin. this is the given line, given straight line, first degree equation. First degree equation. This is the curve. Okay, this is the point of intersections A, and this is the B points of intersections of a second degree curve, So this is the, okay, look at here. Consider s equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So this is the pair of straight lines, non-homogeneous equation, and it represents pair of straight lines not passing through the origin, and line, the line B, Lx plus My plus n equal to 0. So this is the equation number 2. In the figure, this is the equation number 1, this is the line, equation number 2. So by using this first degree equation in x and y, we are homogenizing the second degree equation. So for this one, we are using point of intersection, the point of intersection 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2. So equation 1 and 2, these two curve and lines are intersecting at 2 points, that is A and B, that is point of intersection A and point of intersection B of equation 1 and 2. Therefore homogenizing equation 1 with help of equation 2, then 2 is nothing but what? 2 can written as Lx plus My plus n equal 0. That can be written as Lx plus My equal to minus n. So Lx plus My by minus n equal to what? 1. Minus n equal to 1. This is the equation number 3. Just we have find out value of 1. So then equation 1b, so ax square plus 2hxy, so this is degree is the 2, and here also degree for this term, this is also 1 plus 1, this is also having the degree 2, okay, and plus by square, so this term is also having the degree 2, and next term is 2gx, this term has only degree 1, so just you can multiply with 1, so then 2fy can be written as 2fy fy into 1, and this constant term has no, that means degree, so it can be multiplied with 1 square. so that equal to 0. So where is the 1, just you can put this value. So therefore ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx into lx plus my by minus n plus 2fy into 1, that is nothing but lx plus my by minus n plus c into 1 square means lx plus my by minus n whole square equal to what? 0. Therefore we will get like this equation. The above equation can be like this: ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. This can be simplified, then we will get like this: ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. So anyway we know this one. This is nothing but it is a homogeneous equation, combined equation, combined equation of OA and OB. So this is the homogeneous equation. It represents pair of lines which passes through origin. So what we have done here, non-homogeneous equation, that is nothing but curve, we are homogenizing with the help of first degree equation. Then it will become a homogeneous equation. That homogeneous equation represents pairs of lines passing through the origin. So this is the method. So where x coefficient should be multiplied with 1 and y coefficient should be multiplied with 1, constant term should be multiplied with 1 square. Then the non-homogeneous equation, second degree equation, will become homogenizing with the help of first degree equation in x and y. Next we will see the exercise problems. By using these concepts, we will solve the exercise problems. Exercise 4C. Exercise 4C. Second bit, first problem. Show that the lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of the curve x square minus xy plus y square plus 3x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0, and the straight line is x minus y minus root 2 equal to 0 are mutually perpendicular. Of course, same figure what we have discussed in homogenizing method, second degree with the help of first degree equation in x and y. This is x axis, this is the y axis, this is the curve, this is the line. Then after homogenizing, then the curve will be passes through the origin. So solution: equation 1 of the curve, equation of the curve is x square minus xy plus y square plus 3x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0 is the 1. This is the 1 equation. This is the point of intersection A, this is the point of intersection is the B. Okay, equation of AB, that is nothing but straight line. AB is x minus y minus root 2 equal to what? 0. This is equation number 2. Of course, this is 2. So equation 2 can be written as x minus y equal to root 2, then x minus y by root 2 equal to what? 1. Just you have to find the value of 1. Of course, this is the same equation number 2. Okay, now we are homogenizing equation 1 with the help of what? Straight line, that is nothing but 2. Therefore combined equation of OA and OB is, we will get combined equation of OA and OB is x square minus xy plus y square. Anyway, these three terms having the degree 2. This term is also having the degree 2. So about next term is nothing but 3x having only degree 1. So just you can multiply with 1 plus 3y is also having degree 1, so you can multiply with 1. Then automatically these terms will become degree 2. These terms will be degree will become 2. So plus, where is the constant multiply with 1 square, that equal to 0. So x square minus xy plus y square plus 3x into, where is, what is the one value? X minus y by root 2. Okay, plus 3y into x minus y by root 2 minus 2 into x minus y by root 2 whole square equal to 0. So x square minus xy plus y square plus, so this can be written as 3 of x plus y into this term. Okay, that is x minus y by root 2 minus 2 into x minus y by root 2 whole square equal to 0. So x square minus xy plus y square plus this is a plus b into a minus b, 3 by root 2 a square minus b square, x square minus y square, minus 2 of 2 and root 2 whole square is nothing but 2, so this can be cancelled. So this can be expand with a minus b whole square, a square minus x square minus 2ab is nothing but plus 2xy plus y square is nothing but minus y square equal to 0. So x square get cancel, and y square get cancel, minus plus y minus y, and the remaining equation is, I can write here, the remaining equation is 3 by root 2 of x square, 3 by root 2 x square plus minus 3 by root 2 y square okay, a square, next xy term, okay, minus xy plus 2xy is nothing but minus a plus xy minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by root 2 sorry minus 3 by root 2 y square equal to 0. So a square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. So finally we got homogeneous equation. So compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. What is a here? A equal to 3 by root 2, b equal to minus 3 by root 2. By observation, what is the value of a plus b equal to 0. Therefore cos theta equal to 0, then theta equal to 90 degrees. Therefore OA is perpendicular to OB. OA is perpendicular to OB. So the given curve is homogenizing the first degree equation x minus y minus root 2 equal to 0. Then the lines are passing through the origin which are mutually perpendicular. Next problem is find the values of k if the lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of the curve 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x minus y minus 1 equal to 0, and the line x plus 2y equal to k, or what is the condition, or mutually perpendicular. So when then the lines are mutually perpendicular, then we can find the value of k, same like before problem. The figure is same like that. X axis, y axis, this is the given curve, this is the given line, the pair of lines are passing through origin, and these are the point of intersection A and B. Solution. Equation of the curve is 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. So this is the one. And equation AB, equation of AB, that is nothing but straight line, is x plus 2y equal to what, k. This is the equation number 2. Equation number 2, of course this can be written as x plus 2y by k equal to what, 1. This is the equation number 2. Okay. So next, what is this next step? Homogenizing equation 1 with the help of equation number 2. Then the combined equation of OA and OB is, so equation 1 can be written as like this: 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x into 1 minus y into 1 minus 1 is nothing but a constant, can be multiplied with 1 square equal to 0. Just you can put the value where it is 1, just you can put the value x plus 2y by k. Then 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x of x plus 2y by k into minus y of into x plus 2y by k minus 1 into x plus 2y by k whole square. Just you can simplify this one. So Okay, here k square is the LCM, so 2k square x square, 2k square x square minus 2k square xy plus 3k square y square plus 2kx of x plus 2y minus yk of x plus 2y minus of x plus 2y whole square equal to 0. Then 2k square x square minus 2k square xy plus 3k square y square plus 2k x square, 2 into 2 4k xy minus xyk, this is minus 2k y square, this is minus 2k y square, this is a plus b whole square minus x square minus 4xy plus of course minus 4y square equal to 0. Okay, take the common x square, x square terms can be written at here 2k square plus 2k minus 1 of x square, next xy term minus 2k square plus 4k, okay, 4k minus k and minus 4 of xy. Next y square term 3k square minus 2k minus 4 of y square equal to 0. So this is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. So after homogenizing, what is already since they given OA is perpendicular to OB, therefore coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square, that is nothing but a square plus b square equal to what? 0. A square plus b square equal to what? 0. Therefore coefficient of x square is nothing but 2k square plus 2k minus 1 plus 3k square minus 2k minus 4 equal to 0. So 2k square 3k square is nothing but what? 5k square plus 2k minus 2k get cancelled, minus 1 minus 4 that equal to minus 5. So 5k square minus 5 equal to what? 0. So 5k square equal to 5. K square equal to 5 by 5 is nothing but 1. Therefore k equal to plus or minus 1. K equal to plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1. So this is about problem number 2. The remaining problems we will see in the next session. Thank you.